A great time to prune Yalba Imperata is late spring or early summer. However, if you want lots of white fluffy flowers, a better time to prune is late February or early March. My theory is this mimics a late summer bushfire, which makes the grass flower. Pruning coming into autumn allows the plant to reshoot really well. So, let's see how the experts do it so they can get lots of beautiful low viability flowers. Using shears you get a nice clean cut. Prune relatively low, taking back most of the plant. Its underground rhizomes have plenty of vigour for new shoots to emerge. You can also use a serrated blade, which eats through jobs like this. There are a number of brush cutter blades to choose from. Brush cutter cord tends to tear. Blades give a cleaner cut, but be aware using them requires adherence to safety guidelines and training. Alternatively, you can use a hedger, but they tend to tear grasses a little as well. Whatever you choose, Yalba Imperata should reshoot well over time. Yalba is particularly good for drainage swales, where it acts like a toothbrush cleaning our waterways. Its hairy or rough leaf is great at capturing pollution from cars on roadsides, and the vertical leaf or cut clippings help channel the pollution into the ground rather than being washed onto the nearby hard surfaces. A yearly or 2-yearly prune will simply add vigour, allowing this wonder plant to remove more pollution from the air and water. Don't plant this in areas where you do not want it to invade. It spreads well via starch rhizomes, which have high carbon content that is captured underground. It is useful around culverts and in swales to clean and trap sediment, or between concrete paths and roadways or in medium strips, as its leaf hairs trap pollution. Yalba Imperata is a lot shorter than the common form, so it is a better line of sight choice. Yalba Imperata, given some cutback maintenance, could be one of the best pollution and erosion control plants available.